Hey guys, it's Missa from Missa and Addie, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make this glow-in-the-dark slime. I actually recorded this before I recorded this intro and outro. Um I actually did not have a recipe. I was just kind of guessing, and it worked out pretty well. It's a little sticky but it still glows in the dark. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy, and let's get on with the video. Okay guys, so for this slime, you're going to need some glow-in-the-dark paint. I'm using this yellow color. You're going to need some clear glue. I'm using the crazy slimy glue, I don't know. And you're going to need these clear beads and some activator. Okay, so first I'm going to be putting in the clear glue, and you cannot use white glue. I've already tried, it does not glow in the dark. Okay, so now I'm adding the paint, and you can use any amount you want to. I'm kind of using a lot because I want to make sure it glows. Okay, so now I'm going to be adding some of the glue and paint mixture that I already made off of camera. Okay, so now it is time to form the slime. I am using the borax activator, and later I decided to use detergent because the borax was not working out for me. Okay, so I've already added the detergent and it started to form, but it was a big mistake to start playing with it because it went everywhere, I tell you, everywhere. So since it was not getting any unstickier, I don't know how to say that, but it wasn't getting any better, I decided to add the beads and see if it would help it get unsticky. And this part is optional. It was just super sticky, so I wanted to put them in it. Okay guys, so I think this slime turned out pretty good. Right now it's not glowing in the dark because there's a light behind it, but it is pretty glow in the dark. I mean, I was gonna take a picture of it, but on the camera you can't really see it that well. The texture is really good. It's super crunchy. It's kind of sticky, and the beads are kind of falling out of it, but I think it's just the beads that I'm using. But I think it's a pretty good slime all in all. So I would definitely try the slime out if I were you. So guys, thanks so much for watching. Make sure to hit that big thumbs up button and the subscribe button down below. And make sure you go check out Addie's channel and my channel. They will be down in the descriptions. Yeah. Bye.